Hey y'all, this is Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today I'm standing on our freshly rigged, just now available 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This boat's just a blast. It really is. It's comfortable. You can see the ski pole. It's got a secondary wakeboard and ski attachment up on the arch. This boat's got a black hull side color, white gel coat everywhere, backed up by Mercury's white 300 horsepower V8. It's got torque, it's fun, it skis, it wakeboards. Why I'm standing up on one of the best loungers that Sea Ray builds is beyond me. This is a great place to hang out. And one of the things that makes this boat really comfortable, you see a little bit of sea deck in the back. They take away some of the ache you get on your feet on a fiberglass boat with all this sea deck in the back. And if we come forward, you're gonna see really, really luxurious, their Sea Ray's Infinity vinyl floor. This is a better version of the carpet you used to see on your parents' ski boats, your parents' bow riders. Well, this stuff won't deteriorate. It won't hold the water, and it's super, super comfortable. Of course, this boat is set out in the caramel, the mocha color that Sea Ray does. It's beautiful, very, very thick, comfortable seats on this one. And we've got a bunch of convertible features on it. You've got loungers on both sides that go forward and back. So whether you're running forward or you want to lay back and relax for the day because you've hit the sandbar, this boat's got them. In addition to that, both the co-captain's chair and the captain's seat has got foldable bolsters. They come up in the front, give you the opportunity to stand, whether you need to see a skier, tuber, kids behind you, or you're just in a little bit rougher water that day. Of course, we've got a fantastic head. It's big enough to not be claustrophobic, big enough to fit anybody that needs to go in it. On our starboard side of the boat, we've got a phenomenal dash. Mercury digital controls, power steering. Big note, power steering. A small child can steer this boat with ease. And of course, we've got built in the dash, Simrad GPS, engine data, sonar. Really, really just a nice, enjoyable place to spend a day driving. And we come forward. While they don't call them open bows anymore, this boat is an open bow, and holy crap, does it do it nicely. You've got fold down armrests. You've got cup holders tucked down, both there. You got a spot for a table here. You've got speakers up front. This is just a good place to spend a day. And of course, it's some of the most amazing weather that Florida will give us. We've got mid 60s at night, low 80s during the day. Guys, it's a really nice time to have a boat. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. This is our 2019 Sea Ray 270 Outboard. If you've got questions or we need to set you up with one for you guys in the family, give us a call.